I'm going to get here. Okay, so a bit more. 520. Okay. Aiming for 1 to 2. 1,200. Just above this high, where we reacted into this breaker, create this change in the state of delivery. Aiming for 1 to 2. Okay, about here, just below those equal lows at the 62% level. I believe there's also a gap there. Here you go. Got a nice gap here. John Wickless, and a nice gap at a little bit below the 62% level. Okay. Where is it? Here. Okay. There's one more here as well. Just at the 62. I might just take profit there instead. Slight difference. Bum, 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 bum. Actually, it's not too bad. I think we do have that wickless candle, and I like that. It's really close to the 62% level. So if we do go there, I think we can reach for that. Okay. So let's see. Okay, it came down, swept here. So since we swept here, now I'll be looking at the sensitivity over here at 50 macro, the small gap here. The respect of that, and ultimately respecting this tiny break over here. Okay, so quite a retracement. I do like the body lows here. Okay, I just don't know if I'll be stopped out first. Let's go look at the higher time frames. Okay, on the 1 hour, there's pretty big 3 minutes. 3 minutes on the hourly. 20-minute has 3 minutes. Here. Okay, moving pretty fast. I was thinking maybe a possible inversion fair value gap here, but it's coming to its equal lows, and hopefully it gets here. Big reaction. But if we can close below here, I'll be looking for this possible inversion to move us down, more equal lows being created. Okay, so we are in the inversion gap and in a small CB in here, if you can see it right here. All right, so monitoring what happens now. Okay, this is potentially moving back down. So something to note that, okay, we see the bodies here. Wicks I like inefficiencies as well. So we can actually cut through this area. We see a wick, body, a wick, and a body quite low of a close. So we can consider that as well as a inefficiency that likes to be filled. So now we actually have a close above this area. So we may actually use this as support. Come up one more time um, back into this area. We can have a look at other time frames as well, right? See what's there. It's 120 at the moment. So we're still on this 20-minute CB over here. Okay, and for the 15-minute, we still have 8 minutes left on this candle as well. Going back to the 5 minutes. Okay, on a candle basis, candle PD arrays, we may use that to go up. But again, taking note of where we are in terms of cutting through candles and structure. Okay, so it's kind of, we also have a sell side here. And we've got nice buy side up here and up there as well. Okay, so we came down there, created these equal lows. So the question is, are we just going to consolidate around this area, or are we going to actually move lower? Yes, we had a premium, but we may not be done moving down yet. Okay, so what is this? This blue area here, that's a new week opening gap. I believe 3 weeks. Okay, 3 week opening gap. Okay, and we have another 3 week up here as well. And onto daily. All right. So currently we're bullish, right? Consolidation, boom, boom. There's a new day opening gap here. I should take note of that as well. Let's put that in. Very important, this one, to consider. Oops. Okay, and just below it, it's also an overlapping kind of gap here as well. Let's just take note of this one as we go back to the 5 minute. Okay. And you can see the sensitivity around the 3 week up here, playing around the upper portion, trading up through it, playing an upper portion one more time here, and now we're here. Okay, so this orange line here, not the stop loss, the orange line here. Let me just highlight it a bit better. Okay, that's the new day opening gap. All right, so we are near the 62%, but we have not yet come down to OTE. I'm not saying it has to, but yeah, that's currently my target. But we're closing above this 5 minute inversion here. Okay, I'll move this daily. We're going to remove this daily first. Okay, so say the daily is around this level here. Okay, and this is an inversion 5 minute. I'm not trying to take a long, so I'm reading a short. If we can close lower than this 5 minute gap again, that would be nice. At that point, I'll put on a paper position just to show you that that's a really nice PD array to be respected if we do actually trade above it again. We could do something like this. Stop loss maybe like that, and have another 2R. But I'm not going to take another position already in one here. Okay, look at this. Okay. Come into here. And this should be the one to bring us down. Go on to the lower time frame, just have a look see. Okay. Stay back in the 5 minute, and yeah, we'll wait to see what happens. Basically, good trades are sometimes not easy trades, right? That's something beginning to understand. So if it looks easy, then it's probably a bit sus. If you find it's difficult, but your analysis is sound, those usually are the really good trades. So yeah, just something to note. I kind of like it so far. It did not react over here to go lower, but yeah, it may do. It's currently struggling to climb up. Relative equal highs here, and yeah, the bodies are struggling to climb up. So I think we can expect lower prices. All right, well, quite convincing. It's going to come. Looks like it's coming down. Like I said, good trades are rarely easy trades. Okay, so I want to target down here, which I think is a 7, 8 minute, 9 minute, 9 minute gap down there. So let's just see if it plays out for full. Almost there. A little bit more. Bam bam. One last push. One last push. Come on. One last push. Let's go to the time frame that is on 9 minute. Okay. All right, and there we go. We did get a small bounce because you can see there's a tiny gap there. So we did get a small reaction all the way up to here, close to here, in here and out here. So yeah, that's one trade down, risking about 500, which is I guess 0.5%. Yeah, to be honest, actually I wanted to risk 1%. But okay, let's just say we're risking 0.5% per trade. That's fine. And it doesn't matter if we go lower. Okay, you're just risking a 2R. So yeah, that's it for this trade. And catch you in the next one.